What's going on, everyone? It's Tafari back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about 4 CPA offers that you guys, the 4 types of CPA offers, my favorite types, and very profitable, type of offers in, affiliate marketing and so on. I'm gonna get into it really quickly, so let's get into it. Okay, so the type of offer number 1 is basically, if you guys, first of all, let's start with the video. If you guys have no idea what CPA marketing is, basically, getting paid for an action, and you're just basically getting paid to get someone to do an action. And I'm going to be going over some types that you guys can, basically learn about if you guys have no idea what CPA marketing is. It's a very small, not that many people are talking about CPA on the internet, so I'm going to start talking about it, as well as I do have a course below. This course is going to be getting updated as it goes on. So as people get in, the beginners get in, they're going to be the first ones to see everything. But this course will continue to be updated as we go on and on and on. So let's get into it. Okay, the first type of CPA offer is, getting paid per lead. So it's called CPL. Basically, getting paid per lead could be something sort of, getting someone to put their email address in or some information in that's considered a lead, or getting someone to put a quote in or apply for a quote, something like that. That's basically what companies would do. Is they'll pay us, through these they'll pay us through, companies like Max Bounty, Cash Network, these CPA networks, and they'll pay us per lead for an email a commission. These commissions are usually smaller, but all you have to do is basically driving traffic, and they don't like, most of these companies don't like direct linking, so you guys have to look out for that. If you're into CPA or trying to join CPA, you don't want it to be direct linking. You want to drive organic traffic, paid traffic, the traffic that's required basically of them into the offer. And you basically get paid just for someone to put their information in, an email lead. They don't have to spend any money usually for CPL offers. So basically something like that. All right, another type of CPA offer is getting paid per phone call. So per phone call. So it's like cost per call, you guess you can say. No, I don't even want to call that. I just call them paid per call. Pay per call. So this is basically, most of these offers have a set time that they want someone to be on the phone. So what we'll do is we'll drive traffic to some sort of offer, and that offer is basically, the call to action is to get someone to call them. And what these offers will do, they'll usually have a designated time or just a call in general. And basically you'll get paid, these commissions are much higher than the CPL offers because, it's a higher chance of them making money through the phone call with their sales team. So basically we'll get paid per phone call through our CPA networks. So that's another type of offer. If you're interested, there's a bunch of techniques. I do have that. I'm going to be implementing those into my course, showing you guys how you can do pay-per-call offers. So pay-per-call offers are very profitable. There's a lot of people dominating this because, the pay-per-call is it's a little different because it's not popular, simply because of the fact that people are getting so used to the free giveaways and putting their email in, they just don't want people emailing them over and over again. But when you're calling, it's something that a lot of people do generally whenever they want information, is they call. So they wouldn't expect for someone to keep calling them over and over and over again, But even though that does happen, they wouldn't expect from just calling in general that this is going to start happening. All right, especially if they're looking for, if you're driving the proper traffic and you're getting the proper calls, especially for those type of things. So another type of offer is getting paid for the sell. This is basically, same thing, driving traffic to an offer, and you're getting paid for a sell. Kind of like, that's basically what the MCA is. It's a big CPA offer, but basically you're getting paid for the sell. The thing is that MCA I like to separate from my CPA and affiliate marketing, simply because of the fact that, there's more to it. There's getting paid with team build. You can get paid with team building. So I'm not going to get to MCA, but, there's more to MCA than it is than just affiliate marketing. So basically getting paid per sale is, as exquisite as it sounds, getting paid for a sell. What else do you expect to what it sounds? You basically getting paid when someone buys on your league. So another CPA, and that's just basically it. There's other so many more type of CPA offers out there, but these are like the main ones. There's also like people opting in for, like as I said, quotes, people opting in for loans, people signing up for free trials. You also get paid for someone to sign up for a free trial to certain companies. There's people doing this all the time, and these companies will pay you for that, because there's nothing better than having someone, get someone, take out their credit card, and don't even have to spend money. The psychology behind taking out a credit card and getting someone to do it is so much harder, and companies will really prefer that. They rather us as affiliate marketers and CPA marketers, or whatever you want to call us, we have that personal connection with a lot of our prospects, and that's better for them, and it's more profitable for them. Referral programs are basically CPA offers. These apps are basically CPA offers. In the long run, you just have to think of it in a certain way. But there's so many ways to drive traffic. There's so many ways to close sales. There's so many ways to function in this business. It's just, it would be awesome if you just learn what you're doing and profit from it. So, what are you gonna do? Some of you guys may have no idea what CPA is. Some of you guys may be just learning about CPA. Some of you guys may want to get into CPA right now. How are you gonna do what you're gonna do? What would it be like if you could just get paid for someone to put $3 million, get paid for someone to call a company and talk to them on the phone for a little while, and you don't have to speak to anyone. You can simply drive traffic, be anonymous. You don't have to have anyone knowing what the hell you're doing. You can literally make money in silence on your own. Someone asks you, "What do you do for a living?" You don't even have to tell them. You can just make money, because you're not here trying to recruit people. You're not here trying to, get someone to change their mindset. I mean, I don't mind doing that, because I like communicating, talking, but sometimes some people don't like doing that. That's why I like to create multiple streams of income, because, we need multiple streams of income. Bad marketing will always be around, but look, a doctor can be replaced, a dentist, I mean, I don't think they're going to be released anytime soon. I'm not going to come at people like that. But I think veterinarians they're probably going to be the first ones replaced, by robots. Fast food workers are going to be replaced. People are losing jobs, and people need to learn how to, take things online. And CPA offers are, as simple as it gets. I'm telling you, companies like Walmart, Amazon, bookstores are all paying. If you ever go to the bottom, you click affiliate, they're all paying and teaching you how to do affiliate. They want affiliates and affiliate marketing. But people don't understand this. They don't look for these things. They're too busy clicking the career tabs, trying to get a job, when you literally can get paid just to show someone a product, and if they buy from your recommendation, which we do all the time, you'll get a commission for it. It's affiliate marketing. We're doing this every day. Why not get paid for it? That's how I like to put it. So that's all I wanted to talk about. If you do want to get inside my affiliate marketing course, it's in the link in the description. Hope to see you on the inside. I'm waiting for my beginners to get in, my first come students for the affiliate marketing course. So get in soon. All right, that's all I wanted to talk about. Peace.